McBride. I'm the Recreation Supervisor, and we are going to do a science experiment today. And today, you can call me Professor McBride. So what we're going to do is called the inverted balloon in a bottle. And you'll need a narrow neck bottle. This is glass, that's more ideal. And then you'll need some mitts and then a balloon with the bottle having about 1 tablespoon of water in it. What we're going to do is heat this up in the microwave for about a minute because we want the water to be boiling. Okay, I have heated up the water in the bottle for about a minute and got it nice and hot, and I've carried it back over here with these mitts because this bottle is hot. I would suggest that if you do this that you have a parent supervising it too, because I don't want you to get burnt. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put this balloon on the bottle. We're going to stretch it out and put it over the top, just like that. Now, what we are going to witness, and if we get right up on it, this thing is going to take a minute, but then, just like magic, it's going to do its thing. Since the pressure is higher outside, air rushes into the bottle, taking the balloon along with it. The more the bottle cools down, the more air comes from the outside, and the more the balloon expands inside the bottle. And there we go, there's your inverted balloon.